What's up, YouTube? Trucks and Water here today, and it's gonna be a really fun weekend. We have kind of a little bit of cloud cover going on, but it's supposed to be sunny out. So I'm on my way right now to do a truck review. So I cannot wait to bring you all that. Other than that, the weekend's pretty much free to do what I want. So other than that, it's just gonna be me this weekend. So we'll see what kind of trouble we can get into.
Yeah. Baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robbers, and he's playing Batman, but he's gonna rob him. Yeah.
Got a heavily modified first-gen Cummins right there, white. Cool truck with the stack out the back. That's pretty cool. He just puffed out a little coal. Look at that. He's spooling. What is he gonna do? Come on. He launched it. Kind of, sort of. Pretty cool first gen. When race truck kicks in. That was totally crow. And we are in Mexico, by the way. We are not in the United States anymore.
I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, she's fine. Wondering will she be mine? Walk past, I press rewind. See that ass one more time. And I got this soda. Remy boys ain't over. Fast money don't slow. No one can control. Yeah. And I got this soda. Remy boys ain't over. Hey, fast money don't slow. But no one can control. She's got class and style, street knowledge by the pound, yeah.
Don't see it, you know. How loud is it? Nice second gen Dodge right there. Really clean second gen. So guys, if you haven't told me and my buddy Elmer in the Silverado, say hi Elmer. Instagram, look me down in the description. We're riding around downtown right now. I'm driving this truck with the train horns, and we're kind of getting people's reaction to it. It's pretty funny. Thank God you got 5% window tint. Okay guys, so I just got done reviewing Elmer's truck, and we had a fun time with the train horns. Seeing people's reaction with that's great. We didn't blast it too long, we just kind of chirped it a little bit, and it was a good time. Now I'm gonna get something to eat because it's like 1 o'clock or so, and so after that I don't know what's gonna go on, so we'll see what happens. You're on GoPro footage.
Baby, never act wild. Very low key on the profile. Catching feelings is.
Hey guys, it's been a few hours since I last kind of vlogged and stuff. I was with my buddy Lane. He's in the Marine Corps, so I don't get to see him that often. So I didn't vlog much of that because I just want to catch up with him and all that stuff. But shout out to his platoon and all that. Actually, a shout out to every armed service member. Thank you for serving this country and stuff, because without you all, we wouldn't be able to have the freedoms to do what we can do now. So shout out to you all. But right now I'm about to head home. But yeah, well, if anything else happens, I'll update you guys on it. Hey guys, it's the next day. I'm about to head to work. Nothing really else happened last night. Came home, you know, started editing videos and stuff like that. It was a great day yesterday. Had so much fun with the train horns with Elmer, like kind of scaring people and getting their reactions and stuff. Had a lot of fun with my buddy up at oh crap. Had a lot of fun with my buddy up in Pigeon Forge and stuff. We hung out a little bit and stuff. So didn't get much video footage like that, like I said yesterday. He's in the Marine Corps, so I don't get to see him that often. So when I do, I want to just, you know, chill out and see what's up. Okay, guys, so this is going to be in the vlog. Nothing else went on, so I want to thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. All of you have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.